Hey Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. You know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss, starting the video right here on MOLYNES Road, right at the intersection at SEWARD Drive and Tankwell Metals. So this is another community drive. We're taking the left on SEWARD Drive. So we're just driving from MOLYNES Road, SEWARD Drive, Olympic Way, and then BAYFARM Road. So that's what we're doing today. So stay tuned. We have Tankwell Metals on the right. These are one of the main steel supplier and other construction material in Jamaica. You know, steel and lumber supermarket. So huge company, you know, pulling in millions per day. So it's right here on SEWARD Drive. So guys, if you're new to the channel, remember to subscribe. We're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. Your help is needed. Remember to like the video. Remember to comment. Let me know what you think about this video. And remember to share as well. So thanks for clicking on the video. Another community drive. So stay tuned while I show you this part of Kingston, Jamaica. Alright guys, so stay tuned. Alright, so from SEWARD Drive, we're now on Olympic Way. So we'll be passing through, you know, the community of Olympic Gardens. So stay tuned, sit back, enjoy the drive, leave a comment, probably look at a little ad. You know, the channel has to go on. Alright guys. So we have Balcom Drive, primary and junior on the right. Again, we're on Olympic Way, heading around to, you know, BAYFARM roadside. On the right was the Jamaica China Goodwill Infant School. I guess it was donated by the Chinese government. And then to the right of the screen, that blue and white building, is the new Olympic Gardens police station. It's almost finished. It's not open yet, but they're almost finished. So just a few final touches are left. I did a previous video on it. I'll put it in the description. But when they're finally open, or even if I can catch that grand opening ceremony, I'll come back for you guys and just show you a little bit around. So it's around three floors. Very big size police station. Let me give you guys a quick glimpse. Alright, so just a quick glimpse for you guys. Almost open, but not yet open. So it's blue and white police colors. Alright guys, so that was the Olympic Gardens police station. Alright, so now we're on BAYFARM Road. I know sometimes we're in the city and in the upscale communities. So sometimes, it's good to show these inner city communities as well. And again, leave your comments. Alright guys, so thanks for clicking on the video. So again, we're coming from MOLYNES Road, and we went on to SEWARD Drive, then Olympic Way. We saw a glimpse at the new Olympic Gardens police station. We're now on BAYFARM Road. So thanks for clicking on this video. Remember to leave your comment, like, subscribing is completely free. So go ahead and subscribe, and I'll definitely see you on another driving video.